$3,127 per year. That's what a typical creator-founder software stack costs at published prices. An AI-first stack does the same jobs for $1,056 a year. That's $2,071 in modeled annual savings. And in several categories, user reports say the AI tools perform better. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact old-to-new mapping, the math on each replacement, and, critically, what AI cannot replace yet. Every Automate Wednesday, we find real workflow savings. This is Replace Your Stack, Episode 2. If you missed Episode 1, the link is above. AI Made Effortless is where we track what's actually happening in AI tools. Not hype, not speculation, just real workflows and honest verdicts. If you're new here, subscribe. We publish every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The software companies you've been paying for the last 3 years have not dramatically improved their products. The prices have gone up. The features you actually use are the same. Meanwhile, AI tools launched in the last 18 months do the same jobs better for a fraction of the cost, and they keep getting better every quarter. You're not locked in. You're just not paying attention to the exit signs. Let me show you the full old stack first, a representative stack, with annual costs taken straight from each company's published pricing pages. Then the new stack. Then I'm going to tell you the 3 categories where AI genuinely cannot replace the old tools, because trust requires honesty, and the total replacement pitch is a lie. Some of these tools are genuinely irreplaceable right now, but the replaceable ones represent real savings at real scale. The old stack, $3,127 in year total. This is the representative stack. A solo creator-founder doing content, light code, and SEO, priced from published annual plans. Tool, annual cost. Job, Jasper AI, $588 per year. Long-form AI writing, Grammarly Business, $144 per year. Writing Editing Review, Loom, $150 per year. Async video documentation, Otter.ai, $100 per year. Meeting transcription, Notion, Team Plan, $192 per year. Project management plus docs, GitHub Copilot, $228 per year. Coding assistance, Zapier, Starter, $239 per year. Workflow automation, Semrush, Pro, $1,199 per year. SEO research, Descript, $288 per year. Video audio editing, total $3,128 per year. The replacements, county by categoria. Closure Way, AI writing plus editing. Old, Jasper AI, $588 per year plus Grammarly Business, $144 per year, equals $732 per year. New, Claude Pro, $240 per year. Annual savings, $492. Claude Pro replaces both tools in a single subscription. Across the user reports we analyze comparing the tools, the most consistent finding is that long-form drafts come out needing fewer revision passes, which makes the separate Grammarly editing layer redundant. One subscription, one conversation, better output. Who can't make this swap? If your team of 6 all need Grammarly's inline editing in Google Docs simultaneously, Claude doesn't offer that collaborative inline experience. The replacement works cleanly for solo creators and small teams where one person handles the writing workflow. Catch 2. Meeting documentation. Old, Otter.ai, $100 per year, plus Loom, $150 per year, equals $250 per year. New, Granola, $216 per year, plus Notion AI, $120 per year add-on. Net change, $86 per year, slight cost increase, but the output is dramatically better. This is the one category where the AI stack costs slightly more. Here's why the swap still wins. Otter.ai produces transcripts you still have to manually format and summarize. Users consistently report 20 to 30 minutes of cleanup per meeting. Loom videos nobody watches. Granola produces structured meeting notes, action items, and decision logs automatically. Notion AI formats them for searchability. The 20-30 minutes of post-meeting work per meeting becomes 2-3 minutes of review. At 20 meetings per week, that models out to 6 to 8 hours reclaimed. The $86 per year increase costs less than 1 hour of work. Categories 3. Coding assistance. Old, GitHub Copilot, $228 per year. New, Cursor AI, $240 per year. Net change, $12 per year. Marginal increase for significant performance improvement. Cursor AI costs $12 per year more than GitHub Copilot. The documented architectural difference is codebase-wide context. Cursor indexes your entire project. Copilot suggestions are scoped to the open file. In the developer threads we analyzed, that context gap is the most cited reason people switch. For a $12 annual difference, this is the easiest decision in the stack. Copying 4. Workflow automation. Old, Zapier starter, $239 per year. New, N8N self-hosted, $0. Plus occasional Claude API usage, Taraxonly $24 per year. Annual savings, $215. N8N is an open-source workflow automation tool that self-hosts for free. It handles most Zapier use cases, CRM sync, email triggers, API connections, Slack notifications. The learning curve is steeper than Zapier. If you have someone technical on your team or you're comfortable with JSON, the $215 annual saving is real, and the functionality is comparable. If you need Zapier's GUI simplicity, keep Zapier. The time cost of N8N setup eats the savings for non-technical users. The full stack comparison, every old tool, every new replacement, the cost math, and the honest caveats is in the free toolkit at imadeeffortless.com/toolkit. It's built as a template you can copy and fill in with your own stack costs. Link below. What AI cannot replace yet. The honest part. I told you I'd be honest about what doesn't have a replacement. Here are 3 categories where the old tools stay. Cannot replace. Number 1. Semrush, $1,199 per year. There is no AI tool today that replaces Semrush for SEO research at depth. Perplexity helps with research. Claude helps with content strategy. Neither gives you keyword difficulty scores, backlink analysis, competitor traffic data, or SERP tracking with the granularity that Semrush provides. If SEO is a meaningful part of your business, SEMrush remains the best tool for that specific job. The cost is real, but so is the data. Cannot replace. Number 2. Descript, $288 per year. Descript's text-based video editing, where you edit the video by editing the transcript, doesn't have a clean AI replacement yet. AI tools can generate clips, captions, and summaries, but the text-to-video edit workflow in Descript is genuinely unique. Descript stays. If you don't do video editing, this doesn't apply to you. Cannot replace. Number 3. Human review on legal financial documents. Not a software category, but worth stating. AI tools for summarizing contracts, financial documents, and compliance materials are useful but not reliable enough to replace professional review on anything with legal or financial consequences. Use AI to understand, not to decide. The complete math. What gets replaced and the modeled annual savings. Jasper plus Grammarly, Claude Pro, saves $492 per year. Otter plus Loom, Granola plus Notion AI, costs $86 more but reclaims 300 hours per year in post-meeting work. GitHub Copilot, Cursor AI, costs $12 more with codebase-wide context. Zapier N8N, saves $215 per year, technical users only. What stays? Semrush, $1,199 per year, irreplaceable for SEO. Descript, $288 per year, irreplaceable for text-based video editing. Net annual cash saving, $695 per year, not the $2,071 you could claim by omitting the kept tools. Time reclaimed, approximately 320 hours per year modeled. Meeting documentation alone, 280 plus hours. Research time, 40 plus hours. The honest verdict on stack replacement in 2026, do it on writing tools. Claude Pro is better than Jasper and cheaper. This replacement has no meaningful downside. Do it on meeting documentation. The time savings dwarf the cost, even where costs go up slightly. Do it on coding assistance. Cursor over Copilot, $12 more per year for a significant accuracy jump. Evaluate carefully on automation. N8N is real, but only if you have the technical capacity to set it up. Don't do it on SEO tools yet. No AI replacement matches Semrush on data depth. Keep it. Don't be dishonest about the savings. The $2,071 number requires dropping Semrush and Descript. With them kept, the real cash saving is $695 per year. The time reclaim is 320 hours. Both are real. Use the number that's honest for your situation. FOMO close. The AI tools in this stack, Claude Pro, Cursor AI, Granola, have a history of price revisions as they scale. Lock in current pricing now. All links in description. Future pace. 12 months from now, the people who made this swap will have recovered $695 in cash and 320 hours. The people still on the old stack will have paid an extra $695 for tools that haven't materially improved. That's the $3,000 stack teardown. But there's a category I only touched on briefly. AI for SEO specifically. Is there a Semrush alternative in the AI world? Or is Semrush actually getting better because of AI? That's the next deep dive. If this just found you $695 per year you didn't know you were wasting, the like button is right there. Subscribe and replace your stack. Episode 3 comes to you the day it drops. The full stack comparison template, your old tools, the AI replacements, the cost math, is at aimmadeeffortless.com/toolkit. Fill it in with your actual numbers. Link below. Replace your stack. Episode 3 is coming.